Look at these bags, man. I mean, yuck.
Is this that site I told you about?
You mean bag 'em?
Yeah.
Yes. And I'm pretty sure I will not find a diamond in this rough psychological situation. Whoa.
What?
Hold the phone.
What?
Look at this majestic ice queen.
Let it go.
No, look.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Cold never bothered you anyways.
Look, Bilbro Beggins. I'm moving right on this.
She's beautiful.
You don't think it's at all concerning that she's wearing a blouse that says chloroform and arsenic on it?
That is one of the sickest prints I've ever seen.
All right. Tool.
You remember in that 1970s adaptation of Julius Caesar?
She just sent her address. She wants to meet tonight?